So really the concept of the booth today is around what we call life beyond ordinary. And we're going to challenge consumers, designers, architects of trade on looking outside the box.
Miele just opened the first ever concept experience center in Yorkdale, and so we're really excited that they are recreating some of that amazing food eating design.
We have a little bit of a different concept in 2019, and what I want to step back a little bit is last year, about maybe a year and a half ago, we actually launched a new brand vision, a global brand vision. And the vision is as follows: Miele is the world's most trusted and desirable premium brand. And when you mention that vision, you got to make sure that you also allow the customer to experience that vision and really truly believe in a trusted brand. When you come in this area here and throughout the show, what you will see here, we're just not talking about product, we're actually talking about the entire experience that Miele offers, and Miele Canada offers specifically. When you enter the Miele family, it's really from, I call it cradle to death. And essentially we want you in our family for a lifetime. And it's all about the experiences that we have. As designers, architects, and developers, what you want to make sure is, yes, you do offer a quality product, and we do offer different designs for every aspect of your homes, but we also want to make sure that you understand we also offer a very special service aftercare. So we do have a full customer service group, technicians on the road on a regular basis in order to support our customers on an ongoing basis.
Really, this inside is really, again, themed around life beyond ordinary. So customers will be able to come in. We're going to do a 4-course meal in 45 minutes. We're going to challenge their senses in actually what we're serving and how we're serving it itself. So we'll be really doing some really unique experiences in here as well. IDS this year, we're very proud to actually globally launch. So it's actually a world premiere for 2 products, which you'll see on the outside, which is our all-new MasterCool 2 refrigeration and our W1T1 Classic Laundry Edition. These are actually world premieres here at IDS this year. We're very excited this year at IDS 19 Toronto to actually have a world premiere. This is our all-new generation product for refrigeration. It's MasterCool 2 by Miele, and it's the first time we're showing this anywhere in the world. One of the key features we have with MasterCool 2 is convenience for the customer and ease of open. So you're able to actually have a handleless design, as you actually can see, fully integrated. And the way we do this is we have a push to open function, which makes it very easy for the consumer to actually open the door of the fridge. Oops. And that's one of the key features that we have, as well as LED lighting, making it very easy for consumers to actually see where they're actually putting their product for organization purposes, and complete flexibility. So this is the first ever Miele MasterCool 2 refrigeration. So one of the other benefits of MasterCool 2 is all the variations you can put together, because actually, as you can see, it's a column design. So some customers just want a fridge, which you can have. This is here. In this case, we're pairing it with a freezer here. So it's a 24-inch fridge, 24-inch freezer, which makes it 48-inch side by side. But in some cases, we also have French door variations at 36-inch. And you can actually combine the fridge and freezer combinations as you want. So it's completely customizable by the customer. That's one of the other huge design benefits of MasterCool 2. So as smart home becomes more prevalent in the marketplace, with MasterCool 2, consumers actually can connect to their phone with the Miele Add mobile app. So what does this allow the customer to do? So not only does it allow the customer to actually remotely set the temperature on their fridge, but it also gives them warning signals. So for example, if you accidentally left your fridge open and you went for work, a notification would actually be sent to your phone telling you that your fridge is open, so that you don't actually waste all the food during the day. The other thing is, a lot of consumers actually have these fridges in their cottages or summer homes. So what it allows the consumer to do is, say that I haven't been to my summer home for a long time and I'm now going up there. I can actually increase the temperature of the fridge before I actually get there, so it's actually ready for me to use. So I wasn't wasting electricity while I wasn't there, and it would be perfectly ready for me to actually bring my wine, beer, and other foods actually when I get up to the cottage. So that's the major benefit of having Miele and mobile and the ability to connect through Wi-Fi.